Hello, my Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the third Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's weekend, Saturday, November the 14th, 2020. This third Sudoku is a binary puzzle. We have two binaries, but I will do one of them, and this one will be number 1886. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here an O, then O. Double O, here 1, then 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here an O, then O. Between two ones comes an 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 O. Double O, here 1, then 1. Then between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here 1, then 1, double 1, here O, then O. Double O, here 1, then 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, then 1. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then 1, 2, 3. 3 ones, 3 O's, 3 ones, 1. We have 4 ones here in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, then 1. Double 1, here O, then O. Between two O's comes an 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then. I think we need to compare, yes, this row and and that row. Empty box 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. So we need to switch those digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. If I place a 1 here and then O, then we have identical rows. Not allowed, one of the rules. Alright, so now we have 3 ones in the last column. If I place a 1 here, then we have 3 O's in this column in a row. 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, so this can be a 1, this should be an O. Same with this digit, this box. If I place a 1 here, the 4th one, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this column. So this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. And I've told you between 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1. So now we have 4 O's in the first row. So the rest are ones. Double 1 here and O, then O. Now we have 4 O's in this column, so the rest are ones. We have 4 O's in the second row, so the rest are ones. Now we need to compare, I think, yes. How about yeah, this one and that one almost the same. Look, 110011001100. So we need to switch these two boxes or numbers or digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright, great. Binary, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last tectonic with 3 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.